semoga nanti video ini bermanfaat. Jadi saya share aktivitas saya seperti apa ribetnya kita di dunia kopi.
Hello everybody, good morning, welcome to Nusantara.
Allah. Nusantara. All coffees from Indonesia. Check. There we go. Knock knocks. Berasa di Indonesia.
First customer first.
Halo, jadi pagi ini kita barusan aja selesai shopping. Karena coffee shop yang tempat saya kerja belum ada roaster, jadi coffee beans atau roast beans kita masih ngambil di roastery lain. Kita ada di Dubai, sedangkan coffee shop saya ada di Ras Khaimah. Ya, itu bagian dari UAE. Jadi UAE itu ada 7 bagian, salah satunya Ras Khaimah, Abu Dhabi, Dubai. Di Middle East ini memang sangat bagus untuk perkembangan di dunia kopi, walaupun kita masih jualnya kayak kopi susu manis, tapi at least mereka dapat kafein dari beans yang bagus. Putaran uang di sini juga besar untuk dunia kopi. Di cupping ini kita melihat kualitas dari keseluruhan kopi yang bakal kita beli. Kalaupun ada something di situ, nantinya juga bakal imbasnya ke kita juga ketika kita kalibrasi.
Someone needs to be here. Because Khaled's going away for his wedding 2 days. And then Abdullah is going to do it tomorrow. Oh yeah? Oh, very good, very good. And you've teamed up with one of the most amazing people that you can team up with. Really, you won't find many people like him. Cool, cool. Oh no.
So I'm from Malaysia. This book, like, thank you so much to bring our coffee here in Bisa Coffee here to give all people here Middle East, Dubai especially. So I'm so thank you so much.
Ah, you're welcome, you're welcome.
Yeah.
And this is not just for us, this is thanks to the farmers. Don't think the farmers are the ones that give us the most amazing coffee. And they're the ones that give us the opportunity to have these variety of beans for the customers.
Yeah, because it's my job as well in the Edge Cafe or Gion. Like we push all barista, all staff, knowing all process. So we respect farmer, roaster, so we know exactly what the process that's what different. So it's good for us.
This is good for education of the clients. You know that this is the main key. If we can educate one person a day about coffee, this is going to make the difference. Really,
Coffee is good things, everything.
coffee is going to change the world.
We are going to another roastery. The roastery, it's called Emirati Roastery. Don't forget this They are producing very good coffee. They will change